2-piece. I like garlic.
Okay.
And then the wow, nice pouring skill. Thank you so much. It's been so fun.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you as well. This is the last day in Besishahar. And I'm super stoked because we're gonna get dinner. I finished my work. It's a lot of work these past few days, but I'm grateful that everything has been nearly finished. I'm not sure. But anyways, we're going to get a Nepali barbecue. Yee, I'm so excited. See, everyone is already waiting over there. Let's do this. It's already dark. I'm so hungry. I can eat. I'm vlogging. Wanna say hi? Come here, say hi.
Okay.
And say bye. So hi and bye. That's
Bye
only.
and bye.
Okay, off you go. She's our amazing interpreter. We just found her here actually. So she joined in one of our meetings, and then we're like, oh, is she good? Let's take her.
Good.
Yeah, so initially we had one interpreter from Nepali English and vice versa, but then we needed one more because we did a lot of surveys, we met a lot of communities, so I want to divide the task with my colleague. Okay, I'm here. Let's go.
Everyone's after you, Julio.
Yoo-hoo. Let's eat an entire bungur.
You can't eat an entire bungur.
No, I can. What do you mean? Oh, yes. Barbecue Park Restaurant and Lodge. Yay, we're here. It's a rather big place. I don't know where we're gonna eat. Maybe outdoor? Do you think we will grill ourselves or do they grill it for us? Ooh. Aye? It's very cozy here. The place is huge. And there are only 2 guests, but we are a group of people. So this one is also really nice. Ding ding. Oh, nearby a river? Is that a river?
A small one.
Oh. It's so dark, y'all can't see this. Oh. This is a nice table. And this is a traditional seat, I would say, because they put seat on top of this. It's not a table. Ayah. This is a big barbecue place.
Salty, come here.
What is it? I'm exploring and I'm gonna get my steps. I haven't been walking a lot today.
See the menu.
No, I think it's enough. We ordered quite a lot, no?
So you'll only eat meat.
Yeah. I can taste a little bit of other people's fish. The pork, I'm okay eating 500 kgs, 500 grams by myself. I need a beer though. It's gonna be so good. Yeah. Wow! That gurung special.
You want to taste
Oh yes.
right now?
Oh yes. Why not?
We'll pour it for you.
We do cheers, love.
Cheers, cheers.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you have the word in Nepali when you?
I mean, cheers, because cheers is once in here.
No, it's not very strong. It's actually not strong at all.
In Nepal. Ani
Before, because I don't want to talk to you about something.
It's warming your throat, even though it's like not very strong.
अहिले भयो
But I think it depends. There's no standard version of this. It depends on the location and where you're getting it. So if you're getting it somewhere where they really like to drink it, then it might be stronger, like the one that I got here. You're talking about me. She was saying Bali. Do you know Bali? No?
She knows Bali.
Bali?
She's my cousin sister.
Uh-huh. Have you been to Bali? No. Do you want to go?
म के खाने
Someday.
She's saying that when you're leaving Nepal, take her as well.
Take her as well?
Yeah.
You can fit in my luggage. My god, I'm gonna go into people smuggling behavior.
You want that roti?
Ah, looks like this is the pork. Bungur? Oh.
She was from Kathmandu. She from the village. Go to?
It's interesting because the skin is red. Maybe they marinated, no?
Yeah.
From here it looks like crab.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, they're making a bonfire for us. What a hospitality. Amazing. Oh, it's on. Yes.
Apparently they have a custom here,
Which is?
new people who come, when they put a fire, you have to do this.
Like, do a try dance.
I'm not gonna buy that. Not convincing enough. I'm sorry. Do it better next time. What is this?
Paneer pakora.
Paneer pakora. Paneer pakora. Wait, paneer is the cheese, right? Oh. Oh, this is very good. So tari, this is good. Mmm. Yo, this is amazing. So this one is achar. Very good. So the cheese is a bit airy. It's not stretchy at all. It feels like a bit like tofu, I would say. But it has that cheese flavor. It's very soft. And then you dip it in achar, just like their kind of a chili paste, chili sauce. Yeah, next to it is ketchup, but we don't want to do ketchup.
Making after things like Thai barbecue.
Mmm. Yummy. I didn't like palak paneer, but this one I like. The fire is firing. Nice. Wow. It's okay. Oh my god. Let's do this. Yo, my left cheek is being burned by this bonfire. Salty. Uncle G, let's eat. Ooh. Barbecue. Mitocha. Oh, so you have lime, you have garlic, achar. What is this? Soy sauce, and then this one, chili. Do you chili with vinegar? Do you dip it?
Yeah.
Okay.
पहिला चाहिँ मलाई एकदम खाने मिठो लाग्थ्यो अनि रिसेन्टली चाहिँ खाइरहेको छैन
I can't do it anymore. It's so hot, my left cheek. So the skin is not the crispy one. The skin is more like chewy and thick. So the pork here, and then what do we do? Do we get the garlic?
Yeah. 1 piece of garlic.
2 pieces. I like garlic.
Okay.
And then the achar.
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 Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Vinegar with chili.
Vinegar with chili.
Similar to, you know, Korean.
Korean,
Yeah.
exactly. Making some. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm.
Good, right?
Good. Good ketchup. I think what makes this very different is actually the achar. I'm seriously burned by this bonfire. I needed to get far. Woo! So this is craft beer.
Famous
They
beer
mentioned.
in Nepal. It's Barasinghe.
Barasinghe.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Yeah. Craft beer. Oh, put it slowly. Form it.
Yeah, but I can't do it because I have my left hand busy. Thank you. Nice. Wow, nice pouring skill. Thank you. I get this one. You get this one, Aditi. It's okay. It's pretty good. A bit sweet, a bit fruity. I like it. Woo. Very good. I love it. This feels like more an IPA. I don't know, the one that I usually don't quite like, but this one is pretty sweet, but not that kind of sweet. It's like more floral, more fruity. It's pretty nice. Woo! My face is red. At first, I thought it was too salty, but when we eat with the lettuce, amazing. The component just works. I think because it's salty, we need some neutralizer, which can be lettuce or they just offer cabbage. I'll take it. Yeah, bungur is mito. Bungur dere mito. Mito. Cheers. Be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Darling, stay. They're turning off the light already. It means it's time to say goodbye and for me to enjoy the rest of the meal. Thanks for joining me. Woo. Just to make sure, we still have other grills, no? Thank you so much. It's been so fun.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you as well. Take care. We'll meet again.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, do you guys have a picture together?
Oh, she's in a lot of my videos. Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyabad. Bye. Bye.
Bye, I'm gonna miss you.
Bye.